Wildfire emergency alert from the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office. This is a Level 2 beset evacuation notice. Due to fire conditions, the following area is at Level 2 beset evacuation notice. Northwest Houston Lane. Level 2 means, be set to evacuate at a moment's notice. Find resources at www.deschutes.org/emergency. Monitor local social media, TV, radio, and telephone devices. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.